Hey there, social media marketers. Today, we're going to talk about a game-changing feature that's going to save you a ton of time and effort. We're going to be looking at Canva's new Magic Studio suite and how with their AI tools, it can really make it easier to repurpose your content when you're using it with Vista Social. If you're looking to level up your social marketing game, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's talk Canva. You created that beautiful, perfect design. It's engaging, but what about all the other social networks you need to post it on? The different platforms, different dimensions. I mean, that's really where Canva's Magic Switch comes in. Right here in your design, you're gonna find the Magic Switch option. Click on that, and you're gonna be able to select all the social networks, all the post dimensions that you want to repurpose this design for. So now check it out. Click continue, and Canva's AI does all the work for you. It's gonna resize, adjust your design, all for the new sizes. You get a preview, and then just click on next, and you're all set. Once Canva finishes its magic, you can open those designs and export the media. Super simple, right? But guess what? It gets even better. Canva works its magic not only on images, but also on videos. It auto resizes your same video designs for all the different networks. Just follow the same steps and you'll have your video content ready for all the different platforms. So now let's take this a step further. We've got all our resized content, but how do we post it in a way that doesn't take forever? Enter Vista Social. Once you've downloaded all your designs, you can easily upload them into Vista Social. The beauty is that when you're scheduling one social post, you can swap out the media for all the different networks in the same post. See? A lot less work, more time for your other important tasks. This isn't just a time saver, it's a game changer. So there you have it. That's how you can repurpose and schedule content across all the different social platforms super quickly with Canva's Magic Studio and Vista Social. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it and subscribe for more social media marketing hacks. I'm Reggie, and as always, keep creating amazing content. We'll see you in the next video.